Hey Bob, the girls in the office are getting lots of calls today about our new gutter cleaning memberships, and the girls wanted to know what exactly they should tell the customers comes with that.
Good question. So we're going to go to the client's home. We're going to put a ladder up. We're going to climb up, take a look at their gutters to start with, see how much debris is in there. We're going to remove that debris. Okay, so everything's going to be clean, their gutters. Then we're going to check the downspouts, and we'll make sure they're cleaned out. Sometimes we can do that just with air. Sometimes we do it with water. It all depends on the property, but we're going to make sure that the gutters are clean, downspouts, and we're going to check the downspouts with our camera system. Okay, so that's one way we can check, because even with water or air, a lot of times you can't tell if it's going to be a partial blockage. Okay, so you want to make sure that the gutters are clean, which you can do visually. Okay, and then the downspouts, we're going to make sure they're clean, but we're going to double check them with our camera system. Okay. Now, I don't know if the girls asked you if any questions come up about, let's say it's their all their gutters, or maybe one of their gutters is connected to a underground lawn drainage, yard drainage pipe, and nobody knows. So we're gonna, something that we do that the competition doesn't do, not bragging, but I just know this from talking to our client, because they always ask me, oh, I got the handyman out, or I did it myself, but I can never check, and see if there's anything else blocked there that's caused a blockage. I said, well, we're going to check it with a camera so we can run that down, check it, and see, and make sure that's open, because you do not want to have that blocked. Then you're going to end up with water up on your roof behind the facial boards, and that's going to freeze up on you.
Yeah.
So basically, we're going to make sure that everything's clean. We'll double check it with the camera, and our fees is like $225 for a basic home, which is a great peace of mind for somebody, and we guarantee our work. So once we come out and take a look at that, your typical TLC. We've been around 42 years, and there's a reason why. It's peace of mind. You don't have to worry about climbing up the ladder, taking the debris out, buying yourself a camera system. We have all that. We take care of it. And then anybody that wants to make sure that we got it cleaned out, we can even send you some of that footage. Anybody that's interested in seeing that or wants to see what's going on underground at their home. So
Yep.
It's a great service. If anybody has any questions, how can they reach out to us?
They can give us a call at the office, they can text us, email us,
Okay.
message us on any social media.
Okay.
That office phone number is 410-721-2342.
So for all your gutter, downspout, and drainage needs, give us a shout. We'll talk to you guys soon.